Discuss about the capital needed in farming, sale of surplus farm product and non-farm activities in Palampur. So first you see the capital needed in farming. Why capital you need in farm? It's very simple to understand that when we want to use modern farming method, then we need the capital to buy fertilizer, to buy the HIV seed. For irrigation facilities we need the current. Clear? So that's why you need the capital in farming. So if you don't have money to buy the fertilizer, then you cannot use. If you don't have money for irrigation facilities, then you cannot produce more than one crops in the same from the same piece of land. Clear? You cannot buy a tractor, you cannot buy the HIV seed. So that's why capital needed in farming. Capital is very important to buy these things, which is very important to get the more return, to increase the productivity. Increase the productivity is very important at present situation because we all know about the food scarcity. Why food scarcity? Because less production and more consumption. So in that case, if you want to solve the problem, then you have to increase the production. But how can it possible? If we want to increase the production, then you have to use the modern technique. For example, HIV seed, fertilizer, irrigation. Anytime we cannot depend on the natural rain. So we should know how to do this one, and for that capital is very important in farming. Is it clear? That's why capital is important, because when we want to use the modern methods in farming, then definitely we need money, we need the capital to buy these things. Okay. Then come to the second point, sale of surplus farm product. What is the surplus product? Suppose you have produced 100 kg. See, this example, it's very easy to understand. Suppose you have produced 100 kg. Out of 100 kg, suppose you need 40 kg for your self-consumption. Okay, so you have produced 100 kg, 40 kg you need for your self-consumption. Then what is the left amount? This is 60 kg. So this is 60 kg. Now you are ready to sell in the market. So why you will sell in the market? To get the money. This is the example of commercialization. What is the problem with us? Because we don't have idea about the commercialization. So that's why we are not able to produce more and we are not able to sell in the market. So when you have this 60 kg is called the surplus product. So when you have more surplus product, then you will get the more profit. When you have less surplus product, then you will get the less profit. So sale of surplus farm product. Surplus means what? The rest amount which one is not for your self consumption and you are ready to sell in the market. This is the surplus product. So when you can use this modern technique, then you can produce more and it will give you more production, so that you can sell in the market. So surplus product. Is it easy? So 100 kg you have produced, 40 kg for your self consumption, the left amount is 60 kg. This is the surplus. Okay, so what you will do now, this 60 kg you will sell in the market. Why? To get money. This is the example of commercialization. So this production, whole production is not for your self consumption, because the cost of expenditure, when you have produced, then you need some expenditure. From where you will get this expenditure? When you will sell these things in the market, then only you can get. Is it clear? So capital needed in farming and sale of surplus farm product. It means this product which one is the left after consumption and that product is ready to sell in the market. When surplus product is more, then you can earn more, and if less, then you will get less income. So that's why always we try to increase more of this product. Okay, so next is the non-farm activities in Palampur. What is non-farm activities? Which are the not related to agriculture? Very simple. Which one is not related to agriculture? So for example, like dairy, it's not related to agriculture. Small scale manufacturing, trade, the shopkeepers of Palampur, transport, these are the non-farm activities in Palampur which are not related to agriculture. What is the importance of these non-farm activities? So now you see, like agriculture is the not sufficient to create the job. And in agriculture, there are lots of problems are there, especially the hidden unemployment. What is hidden unemployment? It means someone is working but contribution is zero. For example, see, suppose in agriculture, suppose the 5 laborers are there and they have produced 60 kg. Okay, 5 laborers can produce 60 kg. If I remove 2 labor, then what will be the 3 labor? Then again production is same, the 60 kg. What is the meaning? It means when I removed 2 labor, then there is no any change in output. It means that 2 labor was the hidden unemployment or disguised unemployment. It means if you remove these labors, then it will not affect on the total production. This is called the hidden unemployment, and you especially find in the agriculture sector. So this one is the main problem in agriculture. So when these hidden unemployments are there, then what you will do? So you can focus on these non-farm activities, because these non-farm activities can provide work opportunity or job to these unemployed or other laborers. So in village area, if we are able to expand these non-farm activities, then it can solve lots of problem. Clear? So that's why non-farm activities in Palampur is very important in exam. Minimum 2-3 sentences you will write PowerPoint. So I have written 4 points total. So you can give your example also. Which one is the non-farm activities? It means you remember that it's not related to the agriculture. Okay, quickly see what we discussed. Capital needed in farming. It means why you need the capital. So what I said, that if you want to use the modern farming method to produce more, if you want to increase the productivity, definitely you have to use the modern methods. For example, HIV seed, fertilizer, you suppose then you irrigation facilities, tractor. So these are the modern things, and if you want to use, then definitely you need capital. Sale of surplus product. What is surplus? The left amount after the self-consumption. Which one is the ready to sell in the market? The concept of commercialization. The non-farm activity is not related to agriculture. So in Palampur, we have seen these dairy, small-scale manufacturing, trade, transport. So these are the examples of non-farm activities. What is the importance of these non-farm activities? Because in village area, agriculture is the not ultimate, or it is not the sufficient to create the job. So there are so many hidden unemployed are there. So if we want to shift them from agriculture to the another sector, then definitely we have to think about the non-farm activities, because this can also provide job. It will solve lots of problem. Okay, so this is all about the capital needed in farming, sale of surplus farm product, non-farm activities in village Palampur. So I hope you understood this lesson, but if you have any confusion, let me know in the comment section below and I will talk.